guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video guys, we will be doing a makeup look. It's going to be me copying a makeup look. It's also a collaboration video guys with my beautiful friend here, Cristina Nightingale. I don't know if I pronounce it right, so hopefully I pronounce it right. She's also a Filipina. And yeah, she loves makeup. She likes to do makeup tutorial as well. We are doing a collaboration video and a collab makeup look. So I'm going to leave her link on my description box below guys, so check her out. There you go. Oh my goodness guys, I hope I can pull this off. Look at how pretty it is guys. So we're gonna do our best guys. I'm gonna put the picture of Cristina over here because she's already done doing it. She already finished it and I'm kind of like jealous. I was like, oh my god, like that looks so nice. She's really good guys. So I'm not really 100% that I can like really copy this, so we're gonna try our best guys. Let's find out what's gonna happen to my face. Without further ado, let's get started.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, 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 I hate all this overthinking, oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar, bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now.
Hey guys, we are back and as you can see, I look like a panda right now.
Oh no!
The eyes is really hard for me guys. I don't know how to do the eyes. I keep adding the black eyeshadow and the white shade, so kind of like mix it to make it like gray color, but I feel like it's not really working. I'm not sure guys, so let's try to clean this up guys. So okay, as you can see there's like a sharp, like the wing sharp, so that's good.
Where we started out. Get me out of now. To
I don't know if I look like a panda right now or a raccoon. So maybe it look better later.
Hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Oh no.
So tell me who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do tonight, tonight? Who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do tonight?
I have purple lipstick, guys, so this is all I got. So let me see. The closest shade I have for my lipstick. That's all I can do with my eyes, guys. I'm not really good at it, like seriously. Let's add some accessories, guys. I have a hat. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Or comment down below what you guys think of my makeup look, guys. It's really a struggle for me, yeah, but I did my best, guys. And yeah, I just want to say thank you to Cristina for collaborating with me. I'm so glad we made it. Thank you so much, Dai. I really like your makeup. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Bye, guys.